Good morning, friends. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, Doorstep Garden. Today, friends, I am going to tell you one of the most unique and very fruitful idea to you that in every 6 to 8 months we always apply this process to our all Aglaonema garden plants. That in every 6 to 8 months we always replace the all media of Aglaonema. Because of if you do not replace the media of Aglaonema in every 6 to 8 months, then the plant's growth will stop and plants will not grow further. So you have to apply this process to your all Aglaonema garden plants. If you lose the plant for further growth or looking better, so you have to apply this process in your all Aglaonema plants in every 6 to 8 months. So friends, today I will going to show you and going to change 2 of our Aglaonema plants and going to remove and change the all media from these 2 plants, and please keep watching. Today friends, I am going to replace the media of these 2 Aglaonema plant and replace the new media to this pot, so plants will grow further. At first you have to take these 3 or 4 ingredients to make your Aglaonema plants media make ready. At first you have to take the horn dust. This is the horn dust you have to apply to your Aglaonema media must. This is homemade compost. This is the pure homemade compost and it's grown in our own garden waste. And for better root aeration, you have to apply or mix with the coco peat the perlite or rice husk. If you don't have perlite, then you have to mix the rice husk for better drainage and root aeration of the Aglaonema. Because if you don't apply the perlite or rice husk, then Aglaonema roots will go rotten for overwatering. And if you apply the perlite and rice husk, then your Aglaonema roots will keep safe. If you done the overwatering, then also the roots will save. And this media I was already applied and mixed the rice husk with this media. This is the rice husk already applied with this media for Aglaonema, and this media already ready. And you have to mix one more item, that bone meal. So this 4 item you have to mix positively with your Aglaonema media. At first you have to take perlite or rice husk. Second, compost. This is the homemade compost. Third, bone dust, and 4th, horn dust. And I have already applied the bone dust with this media. This is the horn dust I am going to apply, and I have already applied the 2 things, that rice husk and bone dust. So I am not going to apply and mix the perlite, because already I have applied and mix the rice husk. Now you have to mix it very well. Just I am showing you this because all the media and all the percentage of ingredients already mixed and applied in this media. So just for demonstration, I have taken some small quantity of the ingredients and showing you the process. You have to remove and change the media from Aglaonema plant in every 6 or 8 months, because all the roots will bound up in 6-inch or 8-inch pot. So you have to most change the old media in every 6 to 8 months of Aglaonema. And in this process, if you again change this media, then a new root will promote and plant's growth will boost up. Look at that there, all roots are bound up. And all the nutrition of the media in this 6 to 8 months, the plants all take up. So in every 6 to 8 months you have to change the media restore with new media with full nutrition. So plants growth will more boost up and plants goes will more healthy. And one more thing, that many customers asking that cow dung is safe for Aglaonema. But my point of view, don't use a cow dung to your Aglaonema plant. For Aglaonema, the best is vermicompost or any other compost, but don't use cow dung compost. Now I have already removed the old media, and now I fill up with the new media with full nutrition of homemade compost, bone dust and horn dust. These three things if you apply in your Aglaonema media, then you will receive the best result, and you can also produce export quality Aglaonema plants at your home. So friends, please apply this media and please follow the process and apply this media. Then you can also grow the Aglaonema plant, export quality Aglaonema plant at your home. And one more thing, that this media is water holding media, so don't serve water every day. Serve water every once in a week, or condition, or depends on media condition. If you want further growth, or if you want healthy plant, and if you want shinier plant, then you have to apply this process in every 6 to 8 months to your every Aglaonema plant. And you can also use this cocoa chips. This is also work as an organic media. Now I have changed the media and fill up with the new nutritional media in this pot. Now wet the media fully with water and again serve the water after 1 week, because this is the tremendously water holding media. And always moist the media of Aglaonema, because Aglaonema like the moist media but don't like the soggy media. If you overwatering, then all roots will damage and all roots will flashy or rotten. So make sure the media always moist but don't soggy. This plant also I was changed the media before 2 months ago. Look at the size of the plant, look at the size of the leaves, approx 6 to 7 inch of this size of the leaves. So you can receive, after change this soil, you can receive also very big quality leaves and export quality Aglaonema like this. So friends, if you like the video and if you enjoy the video, then please give one like, and who are not subscribe our channel till now, I requested to them, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification at the earliest. Thank you friends.